In this video, we'll talk about website pages, how to add and manage them. Whatever template you choose, the list of all the site pages is located in the drop-down in the top left corner of the editor. You can add a new page by clicking on the plus. Add the page's name, then hit done. Click on the three dots here to access additional page settings. For example, you can duplicate an existing page together with its content or delete it completely. Also, you can move the pages around for better organization. For that, grab a page, drag it to the relevant place, then drop it. Now let's deal with the page URL. Click on the gear icon to access the settings. The URL is created automatically, but you can change it to your own if necessary. URLs play an important role in SEO, so make sure it's descriptive and relevant to the page content. This icon indicates a home page. It would be the first page the visitors will see when opening the website. Click on the gear to get into settings, then click on Set here to make any page a home page. Finally, to start editing the page you just added, simply find it in the list and click on it.